Okay, guys, Arrigoni, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Arrigoni Bridge, right? I'm getting the data coming in now. My responses are coming in. And here's some to be determined. Construction, engineering, and inspection. All right, good. So here's another way to triangulate the answers. The department is seeking to engage one consultant engineering firm to provide construction, engineering, and inspection services for the following project. Project number is this, guys. The Phase 2 rehabilitation of bridge number 00524, which is Arrigoni Bridge, will include the replacement of the concrete deck. It appears they're going to do prefabricated deck pieces. I think that's the intent. The barrier and sidewalk of the approach span viaduct. Interesting, they already did this at one section of it, so I guess they're doing it again, some more sections. Superstructure, steel repairs, superstructure concrete, and steel pier bent refurbishment, and localized painting of the steel. That's kind of cool. Painting of the steel. How about a little bit of inspection of it too? There was looked like some rust jacking going on there a little bit. Electrical work will include the replacement of the approach light and replacement of the. This contract is scheduled to be advertised February 20th, 2019, with a scope of L. So check it out. The bridge collapsed soon thereafter. Solicitation anticipated February 10th, right? 15th. And they went ahead anyway and got on this deal. That's interesting. I want to show you the response I got one of my emails. So here it is here. The following is the list of, it's not all part of email. I deleted some of the content, but this is what I'm sharing with you guys. The following is the list of consultant firms named which were submitted to the Commission of the Department of Transportation by the selection panel for his consideration and selecting a firm to perform the construction inspection of project number, that's the project number again, the 0312, right? That matches up with right here. Okay. Rehabilitation of that bridge, right? Here it is. Number one is FIGG Engineering, Gannett Fleming, this other company, Tectonics and Urban Engineers. These are the engineers that also put in contracts. All right, so you can start now finding their data, but this is not hyperlinked. But you guys can find this by researching. Pull up project number this, and this will get you a link to the other contracts also. So here we are here. These are the engineers that put in for this contract. I'm getting more data coming in. I just want to keep you guys up to date. This is the Arrigoni Bridge. Anybody want to do some due diligence and start looking up these companies, be sure go right ahead, go right at it. But we shall see, won't we?